Now to an ABC 10 exclusive. Care Court has been in place for just over a month now in Sacramento County. As part of the 2022 CARE Act, counties had to start by December 1st.
ABC 10's Devin Truby has been covering this for more than a year now as the county worked to meet the deadline. First on ABC 10, she has an inside look at Care Court.
Department 8 is an ordinary courtroom. It's Care Court.
Care Court is another pathway into treatment, mental health services.
Nicole Cable oversees Care Court in Sacramento County, a program put in place in 2022 designed to help people struggling with mental health disorders getting treatment throughout the court. To qualify for Care Court, you must be 18 years or older, someone experiencing schizophrenia or other psychotic disorders, not stabilized with ongoing voluntary treatment, or unlikely to survive in the community without help. CARE stands for Community Assistance, Recovery, and Empowerment. It was launched here on December 1st, and so far they've received 8 petitions, 7 from family members for their loved ones, and 1 from a county behavioral health services. 2 people are in the court process, and they're looking to find them resources. Some of the unhoused individuals have also been placed into housing while working through the program.
The program is 100% voluntary for participants. The onus, or so to speak, or the mandate is for county behavioral health to offer and provide the services that these individuals are eligible for. And so that's where the mandate is with the state law.
When a petition is filed, it comes to the desk of Judge Larry Brown.
I did request taking on the Care Court, and really in part because I've had the criminal mental health courts for over a decade. And I found it to be some of the most rewarding work I've done.
Judge Brown decides if the petition meets the criteria. Behavioral health gets 30 days to connect. If a person accepts services, Judge Brown says he will not need to see them.
If they're not agreeing to services, then they're going to come before the court for me to make a ruling ultimately whether or not there needs to be a CARE Act order.
Our goal is always to get those care agreements, but there is another avenue called a care plan where the parties agree on certain aspects of a treatment plan, and the court rules on that and orders that care plan. And that just means that we're going to try to keep trying. We're going to keep trying to engage clients.
There is a review every 60 days for a year. At the year mark, a person can finish the program or continue for another year voluntarily or through a court order.
This is just a court order to have a person get involved in treatment and work with the treatment professionals. Which is very different. There's no power for the court to order someone into a hospital setting by coming into the Care Court.
Care Courts are now in effect across the state of California with services including short-term medication, social services, and housing. Reporting, Devin Truby, ABC 10.
Devin, thank you. Well, Care Courts started in some counties over a year ago as a phased rollout process. The state estimates in its first 9 months, 900 people have been engaged with their county behavioral health department in some way due to the launch of Care Courts.